Welcome to JSON with Java Enterprise Edition 8 hands-on training. My name is Dmitry Kornilov. I am JSON Processing and JSON Binding Specifications Lead. Together with a group of experts from different companies, I was working on these Java standards to bring robust, feature-rich, and easy-to-use JSON support to Enterprise Java. Last year, I was awarded as Outstanding Spec Lead, which I'm very proud of. I also participated in developing of JPA, JAX-B, JAX-WS, and other projects which are now or were in the past a part of Enterprise Java. The course overview. In this course, I'll teach you how to use Java Enterprise Edition JSON technologies to build portable applications based on Java standards. It consists of 8 sections in total. I'll start with short introduction to JSON format, an overview of JSON processing and JSON binding APIs included in Java Enterprise Edition 8. You will study what these technologies are, what's the difference between them, when they should be used, and how they are related to XML technologies. Next step is JSON processing. I'll explain its basic features. You will learn how to effectively read JSON data from streams and write JSON data to streams. How to use JSON Model API to create and transform JSON documents. After that, we will study features added in JSON-B 1.1, such as JSON Pointer, JSON Page, and JSON Merge Page. You will know how to use Java 8 Streaming API and how to simplify processing of big JSON documents. And at the end, I'll explain how JSON processing is integrated with JAX-RS. Next is JSON binding and JSON. The first section is dedicated to default mapping. You will learn the scope of default mapping, date and time formats used by default, which class fields are processed by default, which are not, and why. After that, I'll teach you how to customize your mappings. We will talk about customization annotations included in JSON-B, runtime customizations, and compare them with functionality of other JSON binding frameworks like Jackson, Genson, and JSON. And the last section is dedicated to integration with JAX-RS. This course is designed for anyone interested in JSON support in Java Enterprise Edition 8. It can be used by students and professionals who are looking for introduction to JSON processing API or interested in learning new JSON binding API. This course requires a basic knowledge of Java. During the course, we will build several demo projects which can be used as a reference in future. All demo projects were tested on macOS Sierra and on Ubuntu Linux 16.04. It also should run fine on Windows environment. You will need to have JDK 8, Maven, and Glassfish 5 installed to successfully run them. Now let's jump right into the course.